You can make unlimited money with AI music videos. For example, look at these AI music channels. Their estimated revenue in the last 28 days is $34,000, $31,000, and even one channel with only 28 uploaded videos made $7,000 in just 28 days. I'm doing it myself, and you can do this too. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I create AI music videos where the lip sync naturally matches the vocals, so it never ruins the final result. We all know AI lip sync still isn't 100% perfect yet. But if you follow the right workflow, you can still create incredibly realistic results with lip movements that feel smooth and natural. And honestly, when the lips feel real, the entire video feels real. That's why in this video, I'm going to break down the complete process step by step. I want to make one thing clear. In this video, I'll only be showing you how to lip sync your character and where to generate AI songs for free. But if this video gets a good response and you show interest, I'll make a complete step-by-step tutorial showing you how to create fully polished, highly creative AI songs like the ones playing on your screen right now. For this video, we're focusing on the basics. Generating the song and lip syncing it perfectly to your singer or character. If you show some love on this video, I'll definitely make a dedicated advanced tutorial where we go deep into all the details that can make your AI song stand out and even give them the potential to go viral. So please make sure to like the video, drop a nice comment, even a simple thank you helps a lot, and don't forget to subscribe. Your support genuinely helps the video get some views. And this video is still extremely valuable even if you're not making AI songs, because I'll also show you how to create talking avatar videos and add perfect lip syncing to your own voice. All the website links will be available in the description and pinned comment, so stay with me till the end, there's still a lot more coming. Open your Chrome browser, type lip sync video, or simply use the link I'll provide in the video description, and open the website. Here, if you click on these three lines, you'll find a lot of different options. You can generate AI videos, AI images, AI ads, and much more. Now in the single photo section, there are several things you can do with your image. We'll explore this more later in the video, and I'll show you the exact process of how to create free music and songs, and even turn them into your own music videos. You'll have full control and ownership over everything, and you can upload them to platforms like YouTube Music and Spotify to make some great money. So make sure to watch till the end. But first, let's explore one of its finest features, which is lip sync. Click on it, and you'll see a lot of options here. Let's go with talking photo. From here, you can either upload a reference video or select an avatar. You can choose whichever option fits your style. And if you're not creating this for shorts or reels, then select the 16:9 aspect ratio. You can preview your avatar to see how it talks and moves. Honestly, they look more than realistic. For example, I really like this one, so I'll save it for later use. You can also explore different styles from here if you need a specific look or setup. For example, if you want your avatar to look like a businessman, or fit the health and fitness niche, or even the education category, you can easily choose that. And if you're creating videos for news reporting, there's even a news-style avatar option. Or if you want your avatar to feel more casual, like it's shooting outdoors, there are plenty of exciting options for that too. Everything here is honestly super exciting and amazing. Let's choose this one. For example, I want to make a video using this person, and I want him to speak in my videos. Now here you can see a few options. You can paste your script as text, upload your audio file, or even record your own voice. This time, I'm going with text. Down here, you can even get a random script by clicking on this icon. And if you click on AI script, you can generate your script using AI. For example, I'll ask it for a short story about the fox and the crow. Now I'm hitting generate. Perfect. We got our script. Let's clear it for now and explore what else we have here. If you scroll a little and click here, you'll now see all the AI voices you can use for lip sync.
Welcome to Lip Sync Video, the most cutting-edge AI lip match. Welcome to Lip Sync Video, the most cutting-edge AI lip-matching technology, a vast library of virtual avatar templates.
Welcome to Lip Sync Video, the most cutting-edge AI lip-matching technology, a vast library.
Welcome to Lip Sync Video.
Welcome to Lip Sync Video.
Welcome to Lip Sync Video, the most cutting-edge AI lip-matching technology.
Welcome to Lip Sync Video, the most cutting-edge. Welcome to Lip Sync Video, the most cutting-edge.
Welcome to Lip Sync Video.
Alright, every voice here sounds extremely realistic. You can also apply filters. For example, you can choose any language, different accents, filter by gender, and even select the age range. Basically, you can fine-tune everything to match your exact needs. Now let's clear the filters and choose the one we want for our video. I think this one is a great match for our avatar.
Welcome to Lip Sync Video.
So let's click Confirm. Now here's another great feature. You can choose the mood of your avatar's voice. For example, you can make it sound happy, sad, excited, surprised, or even angry. Whatever fits your content best. This time, let's go with happy. From here, you can also adjust some extra voice settings. And if you want, you can even generate subtitles automatically for your lip sync video. Now, one of the most important settings is this option at the top. I highly recommend always choosing Lip Sync 2. Avoid Lip Sync 1, because sometimes it doesn't give the best results, and the edges of the lips can look weird or unnatural. So we're definitely going with Lip Sync 2 for better quality. Now let's copy the script we want to turn into a lip sync video, paste it here, and hit generate. It may take a little time, and once it's done, we'll review the result. Alright, our lip sync is ready. Let's take a look.
Something strange happened this week. An AI system just crossed a line people thought was still years away. It didn't just answer questions. It started making decisions on its own, faster than any human team could react. Companies are already testing it behind closed doors, and early reports say it's outperforming experts in ways that feel unsettling.
Amazing. This looks absolutely perfect. Now let me show you the really exciting part. How you can create your own songs and publish them to make great money without spending a single dollar. For this, open another tab, type mozartai, and open the website. Click on Start Creating for free. And I always recommend signing up with your Gmail instead of your phone number. If you use your phone number, that's fine too, but we can't own many numbers. That's why Gmail is faster, easier, and more secure. Okay, just complete all the sign-up pages and required queries. Once you're inside, you'll get 100 credits, which is enough to generate at least 4 to 6 songs, each around 4 minutes long, which is honestly a lot. And if you ever run out of credits, just create a new account. No problem at all. Alright, now for making your song, use this box below. Here, simply describe the type of song you want to create. I'm not really an expert with songs, so for this example let's say, make me a classical English song about the ocean, a girl, and the night. I know that sounds a bit random, but I just want to show you that even with a simple prompt, you can still get amazing results. Of course, you can always use AI to write even better prompts, but right now I'm only guiding you on how to create a great song with even the simplest idea. This may take a little time. Now let's check what we got.
She walks along the shoreline where the silver waters gleam. The moonlight draws a pathway through the edges of her dream.
That is pure perfection. If you had to record something like this in a real studio, it could easily cost you thousands of dollars, not to mention the hours of recording and production time. But here, we got it in under 2 minutes. Now let's generate one more song, and then I'll show you how to turn these songs into a complete music video. Click on New Song. Now in the box, Let's say we want a dramatic war song. From Auto, choose Generate a Song. And within a few seconds, our song will be ready. Alright, we got our second song. Let's listen to a little part of it.
Smoke rises where the morning used to break. Footsteps fall on ground that learned to shake. Letters written but they never found their way to the ones who wait for dawn or better days. I can hear the sirens calling through the rain.
Wow, that is insane. Now download it, and let's quickly check if it has been saved to our system.
Smoke rises where the morning used to break.
Perfect. We now have both songs saved. Our next step is to create a music video for these songs, so we can upload them with visuals for even better engagement. For this, open the Lip Sync Video website again and click on the 3 lines. Choose Single Photo, and from the top of the list select Singing Photo. From here, choose Avatar, then explore the avatars and pick the one you think fits your music video best. For my classical song, I'll choose that lady avatar. Now from below, choose Upload Audio and upload the song you want to turn into a video. Always preview your song once before generating.
She walks along the shoreline where...
Now here's an important tip. This website can generate lip sync videos for up to 40 seconds only. So what you should do is split your song into 40-second or shorter sections. Then generate a separate video for each section. This gives you much better control and helps you create a full music video scene by scene. It may take a little time while the video is generating.
She walks along the shoreline where the silver waters gleam. The moonlight draws a pathway through the edges of her dream. The waves they whisper secrets only midnight understands, and she traces constellations with her cold and trembling hands. The tide pulls at the darkness like...
I think this looks perfect. Now I want to be honest with you. The website I use today is not completely free, but it does give you daily credits. And the best part is, your credits can increase every day if you keep opening the website throughout the week. Okay, thank you so much for watching till the end. Please leave any comment below this video, so I know you made it to the end and I can keep creating more useful videos for you. And definitely check out this playlist, because you might find more AI tools that can seriously help your content creation journey.